Alright, I'm about to record and show y'all this raw unedited video real quick because I'm just up here making shirts. Look what time it is. Hold on. It's 11:08 p.m. and I'm making some softball shirts, and I just did something that was amazing to me. I don't know, it's just I had to share it. So what I did was I went in Cricut on Design Space and I clicked images, and I just first I did softball, and I'm not about to pay what this is 99 a dollar for some words that say just softball. It's just so basic. I'm not about to do it. Scroll down, didn't see nothing that caught my eye. It's nothing. So then I went and I typed in baseball. Then I found all these things that say baseball, and then the person who I'm making the shirts for, she wanted softball like on the right side of the shirt, like where a pocket would be at. She wanted softball right there, and she wanted some other stuff on the back, but that was just too plain for me. So I went and I was just looking for some stuff, and I saw this one, but that's too many layers for me to just try to do that on. I didn't want to. I just wanted to keep it simple. So then I saw this one, but it says baseball. And I was like, softball, baseball, it is two different things. So I can't just keep this baseball on here and just make a baseball shirt when it's softball. It's not baseball. So I clicked on that and I insert image. Girl, when I tell y'all, I was like, you know what? I could take that baseball off of there. It's not the same font, but who cares? Let me show you what I did. Hold on. I went to text, and the text I use for this is called birthday cakes, and all caps, softball. And I mean, it's just something simple that I ran across that I did, and I was like, oh my goodness, I really just didn't know I could, like, you know how you going through something and you doing it as you go along, and then you like, I wonder if other people know they could do this too. Y'all can edit these what you call these images that Cricut have in Design Space and make it y'all own. Y'all really can. Okay, and then you know some of these words have two layers. You see how I have two layers? They have the gray and the black. We're gonna ungroup it so it's separate, right? Then we're gonna take the black one, we're gonna delete it. Then what I did, I came over here and I went to shapes. Get you a square. We're gonna unlock it, size it up real quick, because I was like, let me share this because not everybody know. I haven't made a video in a minute. I do apologize for that. But let me tell y'all, YouTube playing with my coins. They playing with my allowance, like for real. Let me zoom in. Size it over the baseball. Y'all understand me? Man, this is crazy. Like, we really could edit these images to make it our own. Make sure it's over it. Hold on now, let me see. Now what you do, select all of that. You slice it. Now you see that? Delete. 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 Girl is gone. Then you take this, unlock it, size it up. Hold on now. Bring it where it's supposed to be. That's close enough. Y'all get what I'm saying. select all, and then you weld it together. Now it's gonna change the color, but let me show y'all something. If you wanted to keep that color, because you always could go back in and change it, you know what I mean, you could just change it. But if you wanted to keep that color, if you didn't want to change the color and you wanted that color, we're gonna go to undo, undo, undo. We wanted to keep that blue, we would have went before we welded the image together, we would have changed it and then weld. There you go. It's one image now. I know you lying. I just wanted to share that with y'all. So yeah, comment down below, like, subscribe, share with y'all friends. Tell me what y'all want to see. I do have some upcoming things, but like I said, YouTube plan, but I'm not gonna stop what I'm doing because like I said to plenty of y'all out there who sent me emails and everything, I'm doing this because most of y'all are having hard times with y'all Cricut and y'all don't know what to do and y'all get confused and come to a point where it's like, what's next? I don't know. I give up. And it's not even that, it's not that deep. Like, I'm doing this for y'all, I'm sharing my knowledge to y'all so y'all can see, like, it's not hard, it's easy. But yeah, that's it. See y'all next time.